Hey everyone and welcome. Today I'm going to compare two of the most popular investing platforms, Robinhood and Wealthsimple. Both are geared toward beginners investors, but which one is better in 2024? Let's find out. First we have Robinhood. Robinhood is a US-based trading platform known for commission-free trading and a user-friendly mobile app. It's great for people who want to invest in stocks, ETFs, cryptocurrency, and options without paying hefty fees. Wealthsimple, on the other hand, is a Canadian platform offering both self-directed trading and robo-advisor services. It also has commission-free trades, but it focuses more on long-term investing with socially responsible options and automatic rebalancing. So if you're an active trader in the US looking for real-time trades, crypto access, and commission-free stock trading, Robinhood is likely the better choice. However, if you're in Canada and want a mix of self-directed and managed portfolios with a focus on socially responsible investing, Wealthsimple is the way to go.